Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna bake a cheese and potato stuffed bread. Let's get started. Milk, sugar, yeast. Mix a little and leave it for 5 minutes. Vegetable oil. No alcohol beer. Salt. Flour. Knead well up to 5 minutes. Leave it for an hour and a half. Divide into 2 parts and open the dough with a roll pin. Add feta cheese. Chopped baked potatoes. Add a little spices of your choice like pepper. Put it in the mold. Leave it for 30 minutes. Brush it with mixed of milk and yogurt. Bake for about 40 minutes. Okay, that's it for today. Enjoy your freshly baked. Thank you for watching and happy baking.